Hello guys, and welcome to One and a Chamber. To those who don't know what it is, you start in a map with one wooden sword, 5 lives, 1 bow and 1 arrow. And every time you kill somebody, you get 1 more arrow. You have 5 lives and you can only lose lives to a bow. So let's get started.
And the days fly faster than ever before, but I'm just giving up and keeping pace on life that I had before. But there's a party on the dance floor. We can work it out, we can work it out. There's a party on the dance floor. We can
Oh my god, I didn't hit him. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? You want to have fight, huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. Oh my god, I did it. I actually did it. What the? Oh yeah, you want to have fight? You want to have fight, huh? Oh yeah, fight it. Fuck. Okay. That's totally fine, huh? Yeah. It's oh my god, it's fine. It's totally fine, man. It's okay. Okay, it's okay, man. It's okay. It's totally okay. It is okay. Oh no, man. It's not okay. That's not okay. Give me a freaking fucking kill, man. I want a kill. Give me a kill. Oh yeah, it's okay. No, peace here. Fuck you. Fuck you, man. I said no peace. And that's meant to that I should shoot you, man. How could I just waste my arrow? What? Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Oh yeah, fuck you. What the fuck? Give me my arrow back, please. I want my arrow back. Oh yeah. Free kill. Free fucking kill, man. Give me the free kill. Oh yeah, give me. Gimme. Yes, man. I got to kill. Fuck, I'm gonna die. No. Oh no. What the fuck, man? That's totally not okay. I want my arrow back. Give me my arrow back, please. That could be nice. You are making me angry. Please stop doing that. Oh yeah. Take that, asshole. I just got your headshot. Okay, it's fine. Nobody shoot me. Please. How could I not hit him? He's in the water, for fuck's sake. No. What's wrong with you? Now I only have 1 life back. Idiot. No! Hey, there's no dude in here. What the fuck, man? Okay, token shot. See you in the next round, and I will hope we win. So, bye. Welcome back. This time, we will win, and I promise. Oh my god, what the fuck is that? You don't have any ears. Or a mouth. Or a nose. You need a nose, dude. You need. What's that? Where are you looking? Okay. Let me see. What are you looking at? Okay, you are looking at the floor. What the fuck, man? That's not cool. Not cool, man. Okay, where's the penguin? I want the penguin. I want to have peace with the penguin. Okay, I'm killing this guy. I'm totally killing this guy. I said it. I said it. What the fuck, man? Not cool. That's not cool, man. No, 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 no. What the fuck? Not cool. That was my kill, man. Give me my kill back. Or my arrow. Oh, it's that dude. Hello. Hello. What the fuck? What? Fuck you, man. Fuck you, bitch. That's not cool. I'm on. Hello. Hello. Thanks. I appreciate that very much. Just don't kill me, please. That could be very nice. Okay. Oh, what the fuck, man? What the fuck? 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 Yes, man. That's how we should do it here. Keep doing that. That's awesome. No. That's not cool. Not cool, man. Okay, what the fuck? It's not okay. I don't like that. Okay, I got one kill. I got one fucking kill, man. I got another fucking kill. I didn't... What the fuck? That's not cool. Who killed me? I want to know. Oh, it was the slime boy. What the... Oh. The bear thingy. No, bear thing. Don't. Yes. Do that. Keep doing that. Okay, maybe we can't win, but I'm gonna get a place, maybe third, maybe second, or something, just not under. Oh my god, I just got the second place. Okay, we need to kill this dude. If we kill this man over here, or girl, we're gonna win. And we want to win. Where's that thing? Where are you, bitch? Okay. If you're a boy, where are you? Please show your ass here, right? Okay, it's a boy. It's a gay. Okay, it's a gay. Let me see if I can catch the gay. Okay, there's two gays. Let me see if I can shoot the gays. Okay, I don't know where the gays are. Okay, it's right there. Right there. I can see it in front of my eyes. I can see the gays. Okay, we got on third place. That's okay. That's okay, man. That's an OK game. So, I hope that you like this. Maybe you can play that yourself. I will write the EP in the chat, in the comment, and maybe you can try this at yourself. There's a lot of fun games out here. Woo! And I will make some episodes with all of these games and show you what's all in here. So hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.